Hello everyone and welcome on this new extended analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So as you can see my friends, the gold is still falling down, and I think our doubts from the beginning of the 2 weeks ago is correct. This doesn't seem like a correction anymore. Well, in my opinion, based on the weekly candle, the gold actually has a chance to continue the fall, at least to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, as we can see right here. Let me just bring my drawing tool. Yes, here it is. And as you can see my friends, we have a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and after the bullish breakout happened, the gold right now is actually dropping and most likely will continue the fall, at least to reach this level of a previous resistance trend line to create a new support trend line, which means the gold still has around 2,300 pips more to go. So in my opinion, it's going to be a good idea to consider selling the gold for the remaining days of this week. Let's now move to daily chart. Now again on daily chart, we have here a good price action. Now as you can see, currently we have right here on a resistance area a current price action which I really like a lot, which is the inverted hammer. As you can see, this candle still has around 6 hours for the closure, but I believe most likely it's gonna close like it is, with a longer wick at the a longer tail at the bottom and very short wick at the top, which indicates, of course, or actually which suggests a continuation in the fall. Moving now to the 4-hour time frame, which actually have also a good news for us. This is the price action I'm talking about. When you see, guys, a breakout candle from a support area with such a price action like this, with a very long tail at the bottom and longer wick at the a short wick at the top, it's actually a good sign that the market is getting ready to continue the fall. That's why we can see right now the next candle is already bearish. So there is a high chance for the market to instantly continue the fall, but we are actually hoping for one more pullback so we can actually sell the gold at the best level. So where exactly we can consider selling the gold? Well, first of all, guys, and before we continue, please consider that every signal that you're receiving on YouTube is subjective to fail. No one here at all promising any profits. So please, guys, please mind your money management and consider that any signal that you're receiving here might fail, especially gold. So back to the subject. As you can see right now, we have here a broken triangle. That's really interesting. Look at that. We have here a broken structure. So the gold actually, guys, has a good chance to continue the rise a little bit more, retesting the broken support trend line or the entire structure that we have, and after that might actually continue dropping. Now, to find the answer, let's now go to the 1-hour time frame. Of course, the answer of where exactly we can start shorting. Now pay attention. Right here we have the bearish breakout candle from this level of a key support at, I think, 3972. Now by looking at the left, guys, we can see right here exactly a strong key level of a resistance, which is the nearest one to this bearish breakout candle, which also somehow matches with our analysis to retest the broken level of a support trend line and continue hopefully the fall. Now the third confirmation that we can use is by simply draw the Fibonacci from this low right here to this high. Pay attention. It actually points exactly at Fibonacci 38.2. Interesting. So meaning we actually have a good chance to consider selling the gold exactly right here, almost at Fibonacci 38.2 at 3977, where actually the market might actually hopefully respect the previous level of a resistance and also retest the broken level of a support, as we can see right here. So therefore, waiting for the gold to make a reversal upon the pressure of the Fibonacci 61.8, and hopefully we can consider selling the gold from that area. Now, if we want to find our TP, or actually our take profit level, in my opinion, the best TP is going to be, let me just now go back to the 4-hour time frame, and now to find the next take profit level, let's use the same trend line that we have right here and complete a channel. Check this out. That's why we call it the magic of trend lines, guys. Look at that. So by that, as you can see here, we have a strong key level of a support trend line, faced a fake breakout number 1, then again support trend line number 2, number 3. Look at that, the market actually continue respected this area. Therefore, we have right here also Fibonacci 119 has been born, and that might actually be our next TP, where the market most likely will continue respecting the channel. Therefore, that's gonna be our TP exactly at 3855. Aiming around 1,200 pips, hopefully with this signal. Hopefully it's going to be triggered, because actually, as you can see, my friends, the drop has already begun. However, our stop loss in this case actually shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here exactly at 4032, which is going to be over Actually, that's quite a lot. Let me just reduce it because we don't need more than that actually. It's going to be around 457 pips against 1,200 pips. Hopefully it's going to be in profit. Let me know, please write this signal for you. And that will be all, my friends, for our updated signal on the gold. Please just allow me to delete all this mess right here and just show the stop loss and the sell. However, in the end, guys, please don't forget also to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube, where we actually might share also these notifications. As you can see, guys, this is example of what you actually might receive on this channel. These updates coming from me personally. As you can see, it's gonna be hopefully helpful and it's gonna guide us in any signal that you are receiving here on YouTube. However, in the end, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.